Hi guys, I'm Chelsea from the Black Pearl, and today I'm with Lyre, and we're going to teach you how to make a non-alcoholic old fashioned. Old fashions are a super old school cocktail. They're definitely one of my favorites, but they are notoriously difficult to make without any alcohol. It's really, really hard. So we're going to be using Lyre's American Malt today. This one's got a lot of toasted nut flavor as well as some warming spices. So we're going to pour in 60 mils of that, just over an ice cube. Next, we'll be using 5 mils of sugar syrup. So this here will just boost up the sweetness for us. We don't need a lot. Lastly, we'll just be using a dash of Angostura bitters. This here will give you more spice and also marry all the flavors together. It's a little bit more complexity. Just going to stir that down. Just be mixing all the flavors together. And then to garnish, we're just going to use an orange wheel. So rather than cutting down the orange, you want to cut across. You'll just get these beautiful colors coming through. Okay, just slide that in there for garnish. So there you have it, guys. Lyre's non-alcoholic old fashioned. To shop the full range and for more recipes, go to lyres.co.